afternoon, everyone. Let me walk you through a common scenario in a doctor's clinic. A nurse comes and measures your blood pressure, heart rate, breathing rate, and temperature. These constitute your 4 vital signs. They are vital because they help to assess the general health of a person, give clues about possible diseases, and also show progress towards recovery of an existing condition. Now we'll pause here for a second and think, what controls all these vital signs? Our brain. And yet, none of these vital signs give us any clue about the functioning of our brain. 1 in 4 Americans today suffers from brain diseases like Alzheimer's and depression. So why have we ignored our brain until now? One of the reasons is that the brain is the most complex object in the known universe, and scientists have just begun to understand how it works. The second, imaging techniques such as CT scan and MRI, they're expensive and are only recommended when visible signs of brain trauma and brain injury are detected. So this is where my research comes in. I'm trying to develop a low-cost and user-friendly way of being able to measure the health of your brain. I call my vital sign the Neuro Sign, which is based on the technique called EEG, or commonly known as the brain signals. They are small voltages which you can detect right on the scalp when the brain cells communicate to each other. So that gives us a direct state of your brain. For example, you can see here the signals of a person who's asleep, relaxed, and alert. Similarly, for a person under fatigue or depression, you can detect visible patterns in their brain signals by either observing changes in frequency, amplitude, or both. I'm conducting experiments with human subjects in my lab where they perform a range of different activities and I correlate the pattern in their signals to their brain state. Another interesting phenomenon is that using these patterns in mathematical models, I've been able to obtain the amount of blood flow in the brain. Now this is very important for people who are suffering from stroke, traumatic brain injury, and also people who are involved in abusive alcohol drinking. The best part is you can monitor this vital sign on any device, including your smartphone. So just like today, you're able to monitor your blood pressure and temperature at your home. Tomorrow, you'll also be able to measure your brain activity, which will be the most important tool used by everybody, from a general physician to an emergency responder. Thank you.